Welcome to Outpost Pottery. I'm MJ, and this is a course on hand building or slab building. So in this course, we're going to go over what I think is probably the easiest and the most accessible way to get started in pottery. All you really need is your hands for this. Now, in this course, we're going to go over different ways to make a slab and then forms that we can make out of slabs. So we're going to go over how to make a cylinder, how to make a cone, how to use templates and geometry to make our forms. We'll go over how to make bases, how to make handles, how to attach them, how to make seams, join seams together with scoring and slipping. Basically, we're going to go over a lot of the basics of how to make pottery by hand. Now, you can purchase this course either as a standalone course, just the hand building part, or as a part of a bigger bundle called Mugs Are Money. And I think there's 6 courses in there. There might be around 6 courses in there. You wind up saving some money that way, but the bonuses are included either way. This bonus is for a product that I made a few years ago called the Slab Slicer that really just makes it so you can create slabs of clay cheaply and consistently. And I'm not sending the physical product, I'm sending the digital download that you can then 3D print on your own, 3D print with a friend, or send it off to have people 3D print it. There's a lot of printers that'll print 3D files for you. So I have the files and the permissions to print in there. So if this is interesting to you, we would love to see you in the course. I'm MJ at Outpost Pottery. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the course.